Ever stared into the vast expanse of the crypto universe, wallet in hand, wondering if your digital treasures are truly secure? You're not alone. With the ever-evolving landscape of blockchain technology comes a constant stream of new tools, platforms, and, yes, wallets. And one name that might have popped up on your radar is Bifrost Wallet. So, the big question, the one that's probably keeping you up at night, or at least nudging at the back of your mind, is Bifrost Wallet safe? Let's dive in and unpack what makes a crypto wallet secure and how Bifrost measures up. First off, it's crucial to understand that no crypto wallet is entirely immune to risks. The digital realm, while offering incredible opportunities, also presents its fair share of challenges. However, reputable wallets employ a range of security measures to minimize these risks and protect your precious assets. One of the foundational aspects of any secure crypto wallet is control over your private keys. Think of your private keys as the master password to your crypto holdings. If someone else has them, they have control. Bifrost Wallet, being a non-custodial wallet, puts you firmly in the driver's seat. This means you, and only you, hold your private keys. This is a significant advantage over custodial wallets, like those on some exchanges, where a third party manages your keys. Beyond private key ownership, let's consider the security features Bifrost Wallet itself implements. Strong encryption is paramount. A robust wallet will encrypt your private keys and sensitive data, making it significantly harder for malicious actors to access them. While specific details about Bifrost's encryption algorithms might require a deeper dive into their technical documentation, it's a fundamental expectation for any wallet claiming to be secure. Another crucial layer of security is multi-factor authentication, MFA. This adds an extra step to the login process, requiring not just your password but also a second verification factor, such as a code from your phone. While not always a wallet-level feature in the traditional sense, the security of the device where your Bifrost wallet is installed is critical, and enabling MFA on your phone or computer is a vital step in securing your overall crypto access. The transparency and reputation of the wallet developers also play a significant role. A well-established team with a history of delivering reliable and secure products inspires more confidence. It's always a good idea to do your own research on the team behind any crypto project or wallet you're considering. Look for their track record and community engagement. Furthermore, the frequency and quality of security audits are important indicators. Independent security experts rigorously testing the wallet's code for vulnerabilities can provide valuable assurance. Keep an eye out for publicly available audit reports for Bifrost Wallet. However, even the most secure wallet can't protect you from your own mistakes. Phishing scams, where malicious actors try to trick you into revealing your private keys or seed phrase, are a constant threat in the crypto space. Always be vigilant about where you enter your wallet information and never share your seed phrase with anyone. Your seed phrase is the ultimate backup, and if it falls into the wrong hands, your funds are at risk. In conclusion, while no crypto wallet can offer a 100% guarantee against all threats, Bifrost Wallet, as a non-custodial wallet that emphasizes user control over private keys, incorporates essential security principles. However, your own security practices play an equally, if not more, significant role in safeguarding your digital assets. Stay informed, be cautious, and always prioritize security. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.